Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and we're going to talk about odors in your vacuum cleaner. It is something we hear about all the time. It's a big issue. Your vacuum gets smelly, but let me tell you, they are preventable in the future and we can fix the current odors you have. So stay tuned and watch. All right, guys, one of the biggest issues customers seem to have is their vacuum smells. Totally understand why. Your vacuum picks up dust and dirt. Dust and dirt has bacteria. It's going to start to smell eventually. No big deal. It happens to everyone. However, how do you prevent it? How can you fix it if it's already smelly? And what should you do? Well, let's start about fixing it. Your vacuum smells. It's terrible when you're vacuuming and cleaning and your house does not smell good. What's the point? So how do you fix it? Well, you need to have your vacuum professionally cleaned. You can bring it to a local vacuum store, or if you don't have a local vacuum store like VacMD, you can purchase some products and do a very deep cleaning. You can comment below about your vacuum. We'll help you out, or send us a text and we can help you out doing that. But what you need to get is some good products that remove odors. Your Febreze is not going to do it. I would not use bleach in it. We use So Fresh by Fred's. Fred's is a US-based company. He's local in California and he's amazing. This So Fresh I use on vacuums, we use on the dog beds, we use anywhere we want to remove odors. I've used it in a car before to get out that smoke odor or any type of odors lingering in a used car. This is great. It's good for a cloth, vinyl carpet, velour, felt, leather, plastic. So most of your vacuums are going to be plastic. This is a great thing to do. You spray it inside that dirt cup, or if you have a bag vacuum, you spray it on the outside of the outer bag or anywhere inside. You pretty much clean your vacuum with this. But cleaning your vacuum is a whole nother video because every vacuum is different. So clean it or have it professionally cleaned. How do you prevent it in the future? It's consistency. Consistency in using a odor removing product. Here at VacMD, we carry many different odor removing products that are linked below. When you purchase those products, you're supporting a small business, so please do. The first product that we started carrying actually years and years ago, we've been using this for over 20 years. This is called Crystal Aroma. It's made by Oric. Oric doesn't make a lot of products anymore, cleaning products and such. We've added to our repertoire of products, but Oric was the original. It is a crystal, not a powder. This is very, very important. You could go to the grocery store and buy Carpet Fresh, baking soda. Those are very bad for your vacuum, especially if you have a bagless vacuum. Oric makes Crystal Aroma. It uses allanite. Allanite is a natural rock that absorbs odors. You can sprinkle a couple tablespoons on the floor, vacuum it up into your vacuum. You can even put a very small amount. It's very small, like this is a Parmesan cheese type top. I barely even open it and I sprinkle a very tiny amount and leave it in my carpet, and it helps reduce odors in my carpet as well. And then next time you vacuum, it gets vacuumed up. With all these products, you want to use them consistently. If you vacuum once a week, use it once a week. If you vacuum every day, use it once a week. You can put little amounts in every time you suck up dirt. This will help neutralize the odors that will come from that. And it has a fresh scent as well. This is like a citrusy scent. None of these are too overwhelming. They're not going to fill up your house with fragrance and give you headaches. They're just meant to freshen while you're vacuuming and then they dissipate. Second product removes odors with natural ingredients. This is called Fresh Wave. Fresh Wave has all sorts of odor removing products, but these are their vacuum beads. And if you have a bagless vacuum, these are your best friends. Beads, although this will work, beads are even better because they won't get into all those cracks and crevices that bagless vacuums have. If you have a bagless vacuum, these are probably what I would recommend if you're okay with the fragrance. These are more of like a eucalyptus smell. Again, never overpowering. You usually use a capful every time you vacuum once a week, or if you want to use it more often, that's fine. We don't mind you buying more. We love Fresh Wave, all natural. They put it on their packaging so you know they mean business. Fresh Wave works so well and customers loved it, except they wanted choices in fragrance. So that's when we found Healthy Planet Odor Absorber. Again, Healthy Planet does put on their product that it's all natural and non-toxic. I've used all of these products with my pets, never had an issue. In fact, beads fall all over the store sometimes. These beads, Sarah or Betty or Dora consumed them, I would not be worried. This product comes in so many different fragrances: lavender, lemon, vanilla, red velvet cake, linked below. So if you need to purchase it or would like to try it out, we have it. It comes in 2 different sizes, although we have limited sizes of this one because people love it so much they just wanted more, which was also a complaint about this, is that they couldn't get it in a larger size. But the Healthy Planet Odor Absorber also uses volcanic rock to absorb odors. It removes odors, doesn't just cover it up, and it's excellent. Safe for everybody, lots of flavors. And the last product would be the Fragrance Light. Fragrance Light is just for fragrance. It's not going to remove odors from your vacuum. So if you don't have vacuum odors and you just want it to smell nice while you're vacuuming, Fragrance Light is the best bet for that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this all helped you. I swear these are the products I've been using for over 20 years to not only clean vacuums here, but I use them in my home, so I know they'll work for you, and it's proven. If you're consistent with using them, they will work and help prevent those odors. Any more questions, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. It helps a small business. We really appreciate it, guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you all again soon.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.